Hi, Susan Hamilton here, Chief Executive Officer with OffBeat Business Media with an update to your training portal. Yeah, OffBeat Business Alliance members get free training because I want to make sure you're really using all of the tools that we have developed for you. Now, I got to tell you, I wasn't real keen on the last training platform that we were using. And since then, I've realized there are a lot easier ways to go about it. And so I wanted you to know that you've got a brand new training portal and where you're going to be able to access on-demand information through the same link in the website. Go to the OffBeat Business free training, offbeatbusiness.com. OBA free training, down all that information for our OffBeat Business Alliance members. You're going to be able to access this information, and that's going to really help you to know how to use the features of your membership much, much better. But that's not all. It's also going to help you understand how to leverage your interview, how to take advantage of a discussion, a conversation, which is what we teach all of our members. This is good stuff. So I just wanted to give you a quick little note that your training just got easier. And on 2 Fridays of the month, you're going to get live information from me, but the rest of it will be available on demand, and you'll always be able to go back on demand. I talk about Fridays specifically because that's when I'll be loading new information that's training just for you to answer the questions you're sending me through the app, or when you leave me a message, or when you send an email to info@offbeatbusiness.com. Yeah, if that can't get handled by our team, it comes to me, and I am happy to support you. If you've got any questions whatsoever, you know you can call us, right? 214-714-0495. Let me know how we can give you all the resources that you need, insight that you need, or maybe make sure a tool is available for you to get something done a little simpler than you've been doing it before. And next time, Susan Hamilton, offbeatbusiness.com.